We'll guide you through how to delete files in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com to access your Google Drive account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders right on the main page. Now, to delete a file, simply locate the file you want to remove. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files and need to find it quickly. Click on the file once to select it. You'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a trash can icon. Click on this icon to move the file to the trash. Google Drive will prompt you to confirm that you want to move the file to the trash. Click Move to Trashes to confirm. The file will be transferred to the trash, but remember, it isn't permanently deleted yet. To permanently delete the file, look at the left sidebar and find Trashes. Click on it to open your trash folder. Inside the trash, you'll see all the files you've moved there. You can click on Empty Trashes at the top right to permanently delete everything in the trash. Alternatively, right-click on the specific file you want to permanently delete and select Delete Forever. This action cannot be undone, so make sure you're ready to let go of the file for good. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a file from Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.